Hi, I'm Tammy. Today we're going to make a ranch water. So if you don't know what that is, it is so popular. Like, it's all over TikTok, it's all over everywhere. Ranch water is so simple because it's only a couple ingredients. It's just tequila, lime, and Topo Chico. That's it. Super simple, super delicious. Right here, my shaker, but we're not shaking anything. I've got a little bit of ice. I'm going to put some ice in it. Just full disclosure, I already have a little bit of ice in it because I didn't want to sit here and do this all day. We are going to put fresh squeezed lime juice, and I'm going to use 1.5 ounces. Just a little tiny bit more. There we go. All right. Then we're going to do tequila. Use the tequila that you like. If you prefer Blanco, use Blanco. I'm going to use the Cazadores Reposado, and I'm going to use 3 ounces. And I really like this tequila. It's really, really delicious. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. And then tell me what you think of it. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you feel. All right, then we're going to do this last, actually, because I want to fill my glass with it. Okay, I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to get it cold, just like I would if I was doing any kind of bourbon drink. It's good. I'm going to take my... All right, so I'm going to put some ice in my glass. You can use whatever glass of choice you want. I am going to strain, and then I'm going to finish this off with the Topo Chico. And then we're going to just add a couple of lime wedges. All right, let's give it a try. This is definitely really good. It's not sweet at all. It has just the perfect amount of balance. You can definitely taste the tequila. It's tequila forward, but you can taste the Topo Chico. And obviously the lime. It's really good. I hope you try it. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Cheers.